Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. In continuation of lecture on IR spectra, today lecture 10, I will tell you some factors affecting on IR absorption band and differentiation of certain functional groups. Factors affecting on IR absorption band, strength of bond. See here, hydroxy group. This bond in primary alcohol, it is a strong bond, right? Whereas in acetic acid, it is weak due to the resonance effect. So when it is strong, its frequency is higher, that is 3640 inverse centimeter. Whereas in acetic acid, it is weak, so its frequency is lower, it is about 3500 inverse centimeter. Here in trichloroacetic acid, OH is weak due to the minus I effect of chloro. So its value is about lower value, lower frequency, that is 3400 inverse centimeter. Therefore, strong bonds have greater stretching frequencies, whereas weak bonds have lower stretching frequencies. Electronegativity of bonded atoms also played roles in frequencies. See here, OH, NH and CH. OH, O is more electronegative compared to nitrogen and then compared to carbon. So OH having higher frequency, that is 3600 inverse centimeter, whereas NH having lower frequency than CH having lower than NH. The stretching frequency of bonds joining atoms increases with increase in the electronegativity of constituent atoms. The electronegativity of oxygen is more compared to nitrogen compared to carbon, and consequently. See here, OH having higher frequency, NH having lower, carbon, hydrogen having lower. Atomic weight of bonded atoms. Greater the atomic weight of involved atoms, lower is the stretching frequencies. See here, deuterium having higher molecular mass, atomic weight, so its frequency is lower compared to hydrogen, means OH group. So OH having higher frequency compared to OB. Similarly, in case of CH and CD, CH having higher frequency compared to CD. Hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding generally lowers the stretching frequency but increases the bending frequency. See here, alcohol, hydrogen bonding. Here it is about when it is vapor phase, its value is higher, and when it is in dilute form, concentrate form, its value is lower. Whereas its bending frequency is, in case of concentrate alcohol, is higher, whereas in vapor phase its value is lower. Conjugation. The stretching frequency of the multiple bonds is decreased due to conjugation as it increases the bond length by resonance. See here, isolated value having higher frequency compared to conjugated double bond. Similarly, here isolated having higher frequency compared to conjugated. This is the total range we are studying in IR spectra. 600 to 1400 range is known as fingerprintism, whereas in between the 1500 or 1400 to onwards up to 4000 inverse centimeter range is known as functional group difference. Characteristics absorption of various functional groups. Characteristics absorption bands which are helpful in the identification of fundamental groups in different class of compounds are given below. See here, this OH. Here OH stretching vibrations. Its value is higher. Its range is 3650 to 3000 inverse centimeter. Whereas CO stretching is in lower frequency range, that is 12600 to 1000 inverse centimeter. OH, when it is in vapor phase, it is comparatively sharper than in concentrate solution. Here, this type of, it is a slightly narrow compared to it is a broad. So this is the comparative study what we are doing in IR spectra. Means if sample is given like that, vapor range is this, so which one is in vapor phase and which one is in concentrate phase. See here, this is in acetic acid, OH in vapor phase, it is a little bit narrow, whereas in liquid phase or concentrate phase, it is broad. Next example is of orthohydroxy acetophenone. Here it is in orthohydroxy acetophenone, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So no effect of dilution. Its value is 3040 inverse centimeter, 3040 inverse centimeter. Whereas when intermolecular hydrogen bonding in para-hydroxy acetophenone, its value is slightly increasing or shifted to higher frequency, that is 3600 inverse centimeter. Aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, amides and esters. Carbonyl stretching vibration band is observed in the region of 1800 to 1500 inverse centimeter. The exact position of this band varies in different classes of compounds. Following factors are responsible. See here, in conjugation, conjugation effect. See here, value when in acetone, it is higher compared to this unsaturated ketone and in aromatic ketone. Carboxylic acid carbonyl group, it is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So its value is 1725 to 1720. See here, esters. In esters, its value is higher, 1750, whereas CO stretching is observed at 1300 to 1000 inverse centimeter. In amide, it will be lower carbonyl value. Carbonyl frequency value is lower, 1695. Amino as usual, because it is a primary amino, so it is a broad doublet type. Mesomeric effect also responsible in the frequency of IR. Here, due to plus M effect, its value is slightly lower compared to minus I effect. Due to the minus I effect of nitro group, its value is comparatively higher. Inductive effects. Inductive effects, see here acetone in acetamide and this acetyl chloride. Here values are in of carbonyl having different frequencies. Here ring strain. Ring strain is also responsible in the frequency. In acetone, its value is 1720, whereas in 4-membered ring, its value is higher, 1775 inverse centimeter. Acid halides. In acid halides, its value is more higher than earlier esters and amides. Acid anhydride, see here, symmetrical and asymmetrical CO stretching, so it is higher value compared to amides. Amines, see here, amines 2 absorption peaks are observed when in primary amine it is near 3500 inverse centimeter, asymmetric and symmetric stretching. Bending is observed at about 1650 to 1580. Primary and secondary amines, NH frequency bending is observed around 909 to 6666 inverse centimeter. Secondary amine value is slightly lower to compare to primary and it is a single absorption band. Tertiary amine do not give any absorption band in this region. Ethers. Ethers, aliphatic ether, COC stretching asymmetric is observed at 11502 1085 inverse centimeter. It is a characteristic value. Thank you very much. This is all about the IR spectrum. In next lecture, I will give you some assignments on UV and IR. Thank you very much.